Hi there, my name is Michael. I joined Vox Singing Academy around February, March in 2020 after my classical singing teacher could no longer do singing lessons with me due to her getting a new job. My first singing lesson was with Rients and we connected straight from the get-go. Rients has been able to bring everything that my previous coach had imparted into me and much more to a much higher standard. And I'm now beginning to grasp how much can be learnt in regards to the voice. Rience knows exactly how to diagnose what needs to be fixed in performance and vocals to make any song sound better, and knows how to help you reach your goals. I'm now just beginning to learn my potential as a vocalist. I was concerned about the lessons being online, as thought it wouldn't be as hands-on, but has been very beneficial. It's helped develop my musicianship more, and a lot has been imparted into me still, even though the lessons have been over Skype/Zoom. And of course, there's always that next level of awesomeness to work towards, and I have full confidence that I know that Rience knows how to get me there.